Hey, Nita. Just looking over your poster real quick, trying to give you some quick feedback. Okay start, but it's hard to give a lot of feedback because you have this whole sucker is blank, 1/3 of it's blank. In general, you need a real map, right? So just a Google Earth thing isn't good enough. But so looking for an ArcGIS map there. I think I mentioned to you that the Park Service said that the mountain line did not cross in this location, so just FYI. Okay, so here's your hypothesis. So I think your font. So use the font that I suggested. Once you use Arial, the Times is harder to read. Also, this font looks a little bit on the small side, I think. Yeah, it might be a bit on the small side. I'm not sure what the size is. So in general, I think you can do this a lot tighter. You don't need to go into the details about how many gigabyte cards you're using on your poster. You have limited space, and that goes in your thesis. That goes in your written thing. But and some of these photos look a little squished. Like this guy looks a little squished. I don't know if it is or is not. It looks like it's been squeezed from side to side. I can't really read what this says to give you feedback, even at my maximum zoom here. So I'm not sure. I guess that says species, but I'm not sure what that is saying. So it's hard for me to give you some feedback. Same thing. So this looks like time. So it looks like we had some time here, week 1, week 2. You should have the dates in here. The week, say the start of the weeks. Again, species abundant, species diversity. So not sure what these mean. This is average number. It should be average number per trap night, let's say, or something. But it's just it's hard for me to interpret this really. But it looks like there's something started low, something went up, and then it crashed. And has remained lower until recently. You guys probably need to do another week or 2 of trapping, not necessarily for this poster because you're running out of time for the poster, but for just for your own. If there are some trends going on, right, you should do another couple rounds of trapping to figure that out. Yeah. So that's about it. I want to see a much more together, tighter poster for next week. So next week our full poster is supposed to be done. So yeah, you can pop by my office hours tomorrow if you want to talk about stuff or what have you. But anyway, those are my quick comments. Try more. You can leave your introduction that way. Try more bullets. Let's have a lot more detail, and I need to be able to see your data, etc. Okay. Thanks, Nita.